But job part will always be like today, if on 90s, 2000s, and early 2010 and 2020, people were running after jobs. But still, people have a question in their mind in 2025, 26, my job will go due to AI.
Yeah.
And that is one more other fear. This fear of losing a job or getting replaced by something or the other is always there.
Yeah.
Uh, but as of today, if I ask, did in the larger technology companies or service providers, be it any platforms, is this really happening? Like the low level people, like the early entry level job developers, are they losing jobs, or like how it is getting transformed over the years?
I mean, is there job loss? Yes, it is happening for sure, right? I mean, I think if you open the newspaper, you will anyway know it. But is it happening that you are not going to have jobs in future? I don't think it's the case. I think the roles are changing. I mean, there is one very interesting thing which I read very recently. Many years ago, there was in London, there used to be a job where a person will go and change the timing of the clock so that you know what time it is, right? Today, that job doesn't exist because it's been automated. Does that mean people have lost jobs? No, right? It's new jobs have got created. AI will definitely automate a lot of things. When we were starting to develop code, we were focused quite a bit on how good I can write a C++ code or a C code, right? Over a period of time, that didn't become important. It was no longer important at all because IDEs used to create a lot of help in a lot of things better. Today, that is even more automated. Doesn't mean that the role will go away. It has to evolve into a state where you bring in a little bit more business perspective, use those tools and drive more productivity. I think that's where it will end up being. People who don't evolve obviously have a challenge. But if you are ready to adapt, I don't think it's a problem at all.
Exactly. But on the global level, when it comes to having the larger teams, people have started cutting down the teams, or like obviously the new jobs are coming, people are hiring into that domains. The size of companies will become smaller in terms of teams, or it will become larger, or it will be the same pace or same level over the time.
I feel that it will at the moment it is more or less remaining the same. So you are cutting roles somewhere, at the same time you are adding roles somewhere, right? So the pure developer role is probably going away and it's coming into a hybrid developer type of a role, right? At the moment it is remaining constant. Now based on how the entire market responds to this motion, it may well end up with more jobs in future. That's what I would think.
Interesting. So you have been focusing much more on workforce transformation. Like you worked with so many companies, you transformed their technology or their teams, etc. How does it work actually? If I talk in a layman language, like if someone is there, how this works entirely as a business cycle or as a company cycle for anyone?
Yeah, for us it is like we sell our product, right? So and our product itself is responding to whatever is coming from the market in terms of a demand for AI or agentic AI type of thing, right? What it also means is the same questions are getting asked within the partner organizations who deliver our solutions. How should their people change in terms of their skills, right? That is what we try to do, to say that how our product is changing, work with those organizations to make sure they build in the right type of capacity and capability to deliver these things to our customers. So that's what type of work we do.